I see, big scary monster.
Escape! I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
What don't you know?
How to be free. Top.
Ooh, you stomped loud.
Free.
You had to be free?
No, I had to be free.
Two big feet?
Oh, you do have two big feet.
I don't know.
Oh!
Are you going to go after Bing?
Oh! He's chasing us! Oh! He's stomping. Oh dear! No!
Are you telling him to get in your mouth? You're going to eat him?
I'm going to eat him.
Oh my!
In front.
How big is your mouth?
My that's big.
Wow. Can you open your mouth? Let me see. Wow. You have sharp teeth too.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah.
I became milk.
Ooh, you are a
I
big.
had to be free.
You do have big feet.
I had to see.
Oh my. Hi, Harmony.
Nom nom. Ah! Oh! See?
Hello, Lizzie. Hi. You could smile. Yeah, sure. Okay.
Escape!
There you go.
I'm going to eat you.
Don't eat us!
I eat both.
You're going to eat both of them?
I eat Mamu and I eat Bing and Mamu and
You eat Bing and Mama and Zanny? And Lissy?
Yes.
And Lissy too?
Yes too.
Okay, do you eat Daddy? Mama? Did you say Mama?
I go fuck.
You're gonna go to work?
Girl.
I go fuck.
Yeah? Are you having fun, Harmony? Harmony, are you having fun?
Game.
Oh dear. He's right there.
Poor Bing.
Ah!
Bing, you're awesome.